Divisions can be found in the company settings, and once you're in the settings you can go to the company section and then divisions is underneath. Here you can find all the divisions in your company, and you can edit them by clicking the name of the division, for instance accounting. If I click, I can edit the name of the division, I can edit the leader, and add a manager email as well. Each division also has its own hub, so you can add individual documents or folders into the hub for the division. If I click close, we can go back to the divisions list, and here I can also add a new division by clicking the blue add button. Here I can name the division, for instance, a purchasing division. Here I can also note the leader of the division as well by choosing an employee from the drop-down list. Once I choose the leader, I can also add a manager email if I want to as well, or I can just click Save and Close. If I click Save and Close, I'll be brought back to the list, and we'll be able to see our new division of purchasing located on our divisions list with the leader in a hyperlink. Now that I have a new division, I can go ahead and assign an employee to the division. Divisions can also be used in a multitude of areas within Striven, such as projects and sales orders and much more.